Growing your affiliate marketing business does not need to be expensive. You can do it easily, quickly, and without expensive trainings if you just stay on top of these things. These are 3 super simple tactics that every single affiliate marketer should know and be doing today. They are super important for making sure you don't lose your hard-earned money and take full advantage of the cutting-edge information already available to you. In a moment, I'm going to show you something that very few affiliate marketers will actually reveal the truth about. And if you are here to find the best ways to grow your business without wasting money, you will 100% find value in the last method. So be sure to stick around for it. Method 1 is research everything all the time. I know this sounds simple, but what I mean is no business market changes as much as the digital market. The earlier you know the changes to the market that are happening, the sooner you can pivot to take advantage of it. Never assume you know the correct way to do anything, because staying determined to be on the cutting edge of everything is so important, almost just as important as consistency. This is the easiest way to stay ahead of the bigger affiliate marketers because they're usually late to the changes due to their laziness. They're stuck in their ways, and quite frankly, they think that they're the best at it, so they don't think that they need to improve. But researching isn't improving. It's not. It's just staying up to date. So, method 2 is tracking is your best friend. I don't mean to track everything because that is a waste of time, but you need to know what to track. You are only going to be knowing if you're growing if you have something to compare it to. Do not compare to anyone but yourself. You need to know what to track. You need to track your time allocations, your investment allocations, money going out versus money coming in, of course, the traffic fluctuations so that you can study why it happened, and you also need to be tracking your consistency in platform activity, whether that is Instagram posts, YouTube videos, ads, or product releases. Now, what's really important here is, I'm sure you know, if you Google how to grow an affiliate marketing, the first 5 to 10 things you see are all expensive courses that they claim you need, and you need it today, and you need it to know what you're doing. I mean, whatever catchphrases they're using nowadays. Do not waste your money on training programs unless you have put in serious time and effort to know that it's actually worth the money. I cannot tell you, as somebody who has participated in over a dozen, they are rarely worth their money, and I usually walk out thinking, oh wow, I could have Googled most of that. It's just the truth. They are only beneficial for a few reasons. Number 1, they save you time because you are essentially paying for information that you could have researched and found out yourself. It gives you a community of peers, from novices all the way up to experts. You can use them as motivation, for advice, or even for support when you need it. It also gives you a defined set of goals and a schedule, which is something you could do for yourself if you just stick to it. Now, keep in mind, these training programs are built to help you, and they do. I just think that a lot of them are way too expensive. We are talking $5,000 for a training program, and a lot of them will have money back guarantees, but the path to get your money back is so time intensive to prove that you did everything that they told you to. And even still, what they'll do is they'll come back and they'll say, well, we're not claiming that our product doesn't work. We're claiming that you didn't document what you did well enough, so we don't believe you. That's what happens. So rather than breaking your budget, your bank, and probably your patience, just avoid paying for a course unless you absolutely know that it is something that is needed, that you really need it, and that you think it will actually help you. Save your money and remember you are an entrepreneur, not a consumer. You are not your target market, and you know this, so just don't become them by succumbing to the latest training program. Instead of investing in someone else's course, think of it like investing in your own business via time spent researching and learning the exact things you could have learned from the course. At least thoroughly research the course before you buy it. If you come to the conclusion that the course offers material that is impossible to come by on the open internet, which is unlikely, then buy it, okay? But that is it for now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button so that I can keep giving all of you guys free training courses so I don't have to charge for them like all the others. And also leave a comment letting me know if you have found a training resource that you think is worth its weight in gold. I'm sure a lot of us will be very grateful to learn about it. And also, if you think that everything in here is the truth or you disagree with any of it, feel free to let me know. I'm always open to learning more. But in the next video, I'm going to be going over the niches to avoid and the best ones to look into. I'll throw a link to it on the video so you guys can go have a look. But thank you so much for watching. Let's go and let's grow.